Okay, this is a 2008 Buick Enclave that was brought to us. Transmission is bad and had a lot of other things that was bad, like 3 mounts and 1 jack shaft for the axle. But this car, I guess, was gotten from the auction. And one thing we saw when we got underneath this, the transmission, that someone, if you can see here, blocked the transmission lines off here, and they blocked the transmission off lines there. Okay, and probably it was done because it's leaking. They got a leak here. So whoever did this blocked those lines off with these clamps and then put it in the auction for sale.
And I believe somebody from the Swedish,
you know, so
a good friend.
now I'm gonna have to put a transmission cooler on here because one, I don't even want to trust those lines because I don't know how long they've been compressed like that. They may not open up in the middle, cutting off the flow. But we're going to have to remove those clamps and put a cooler on there and run our own lines to these transmissions so that everything will be fine. But this, you get this type of stuff at the auction. People will do all type of things. So now it's going to take a little bit longer for us to fix this. And we didn't see this until now, while we had this whole frame stuff down. So this is a shame. Again, when you get things from the auction, you never know. Now I think the customer, she was driving with it just like that, and I asked her, I said, have you had any work done to this? And she hadn't had anybody do anything. At first I thought they may have changed the radiator and blocked it off, but nope, this was done at the auction. I don't know what, my guess is they were doing that to make it not leak so they could sell the car. I don't know, but stuff like this happens. It happens. It happens. Alright. Alright, it happens. Again, 2008 Buick Enclave.